Hello friends, how are you all? Trust all of us are doing very well. A question had been asked of me as to what spices are to be added when we are cooking a certain type of a dish. For example, when you're cooking a meat dish, what are the spices that should be added? When you're cooking a vegetable, what are the spices to be added? When you're cooking a fish, what are the spices to be added? When you are making a chai, the Indian masala chai, what are the spices to be added? So I'm going to give you a brief guide to what type of spices are going to be added to what type of dishes and what type of spices, generally how these spices are divided. And if you wish to read more about spices, though there are a lot of books in the market and definitely must be available online also, but one of the books that I refer to is this one. You can look for it online also, you can look for it in some bookshops also, and I'm sure you're going to get it. And this book is more than spices and masalas. It talks about food in India, Indian ingredients. So definitely it is going to be a very good guide for all of you. So I decided to make a small video guide for all of you all so that this mystery can be cleared as to what spices go into what type of a dish. Do watch this video and I'm sure that we are going to gain from this. And I hope now you are familiar with spices that go into various type of dishes and for what reason. If you have any questions like this or queries like this, please do not hesitate to ask, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to answer all your queries. So friends, I hope you like this video, and I'm sure you want to share this video with your enemies and foes, of course, but this time also share them with your friends, with your known, with your nears and with your dears. Until the time we meet with another video on healthy and organic cooking tips or a recipe, is thanks for watching and bye. Have a nice time. Cook healthy, eat healthy and live healthy.